The information presented in this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as professional relationship advice. Every relationship is unique, and consulting with a qualified therapist can provide personalized guidance.
Assertive communication focuses on expressing yourself honestly and directly, while also respecting the other person's feelings and needs. It's about finding a balance between being passive, avoiding expressing your needs, and being aggressive, disregarding the other person's perspective. With assertive communication, partners can express needs and wants clearly. Partners can express their needs, wants, and desires in a clear, confident, and respectful way. Express concerns calmly and constructively. Partners can express their concerns and frustrations without resorting to blame or aggression. Get on the same page. Assertive communication ensures your partner understands what you want and how they can support you in the relationship.
I feel hurt when you cancel plans last minute. Can we discuss how to be more mindful of each other's schedules in the future? Oh, that's okay, no worries about canceling again. I guess I was just free that night.
In this example, Nancy avoids expressing her actual feelings of hurt and doesn't initiate a conversation for improvement.
I'd love to spend more quality time with you. Maybe instead of watching TV every night, we could try a new activity together once a week, like going for a hike or taking a cooking class. Watching TV every night is kind of getting old. Maybe you have some ideas for things to do.
Andy could be more proactive in suggesting what he would like to do. Here, he puts the responsibility of suggesting activities on his partner.
I know you love teasing me sometimes, but lately it's been feeling a bit hurtful. Could you maybe tone it down a bit? Wow, you really got me there with that one. Maybe I need to toughen up a bit, huh?
Nancy's reply might deflect the teasing temporarily, but it downplays her feelings and could encourage more teasing in the long run.
I'm feeling overwhelmed with my workload. Would you be willing to help me brainstorm some solutions to manage my stress? Work is just so much lately. I don't know how to handle it.
Andy expresses frustration and would like Nancy's help, but avoids asking for it directly. Remember, assertive communication strengthens relationships by fostering understanding and mutual respect. The key is to practice expressing yourself honestly while considering your partner's feelings and needs.